The study of plants. The water cycle is a continuous process by which water is circulated throughout the earth and the atmosphere through evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and the transpiration of plant and animals. In order for plants to survive, they need to go through photosynthesis, the process by which autotrophs convert sunlight, water, and CO2 into glucose and oxygen. Protists are single-celled eukaryotic organisms. Plants actually evolved from autotrophic protists. An example of this is Euglena. Multicellular is the first step in the evolutionary process, meaning it has more than one cell. Algae is an example of this. Terrestrial is the second step in the evolutionary process, meaning land-dwelling. Unlike algae, moss does not need to live in water in order to survive. The third step is the vascular system, with its true roots and stems with vascular tissue. The fourth step is seeds, meaning they have a unit of reproduction, multicellular, and they have 3 tissue layers. An example is the ginkgo tree. The final step is flowers. They are the seed-bearing part of a plant containing the reproductive organs which may attract pollinators. Fruits are the plant structures that results from the pollination of a flower and contains a seed. An example would be corn, strawberries, or an apple tree. Gymnosperms are plants with unprotected or naked seeds such as a conifer or a ginkgo tree. Apple trees come up again because they are the flowering plants that produce seeds enclosed in a fruit, also known as angiosperms. Flowering plants can be divided into 2 categories, monocots and dicots. Monocots are the flowering plants with an embryo that bear a single cotyledon, while dicots are the flowering plants with an embryo that bear 2 cotyledons. They also have many differences, such as their floral parts, their veins, and their vascular bundles. There are many uses of plants. Some of them are they are a major role in the water cycle. They can be used for medicine, fabric, fuels, housing, shelters. They use up CO2 and produce our oxygen, and they are a primary food source directly and indirectly.